Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on a fresh Windows 10 install. So the quickest and easiest way to do that is just click here in the search bar and then type Google Chrome and then hit enter and then click here on Chrome web browser. All right, and then here we can just click download Chrome. All right, when it's done downloading, just click open file, hit yes, and your download should start beginning. All right, download is complete. Now it's installing. All right, Chrome is downloaded. Now you can use it. Let's make the screen bigger. Click here. All right, so here I'm not signing in. I'm just going to show you that Chrome is installed, and we'll skip this. And now you have your Chrome browser. You can click got it here. And then let's make this bigger, and you're ready to start browsing on Chrome. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and have a great day.